so what I'm going to do today is talk you through the process of how I got from here to here, which is the final image of this maternity shoot. So we can see that we've got this lovely natural light, and that's why I placed my subject next to the natural light. And because I'm a dark and moody photographer and I love that sort of shadow and I love that drama, I made sure that only one side of her was lit so that we got this natural shadow that you can see here, which I think is just delicious and yummy, and all the lovely dark and moody phrases that I could go and say forever. So let's have a play around. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to reset. And usually what I like to do is I can kind of envision what preset that I'm going to be using. These are all mine from the Recollection preset pack, which you can buy today below. And there is a unique YouTube discount code. I'll put it into the caption underneath this video so that you can head to the shop and get your own Recollection Dark and Moody preset pack. So this was the original preset that I created. It's called HBP Awaken. It has a little bit of a cooler tone, but it still really favors these dark shadows. Wanderer is usually the main one that I go for these days, Wanderer and Awaken. The texture is a lot lower, and as you can see, it has a lot of drama sort of built in. So you can see here that we've got this border here, which I didn't really want, and I wanted to really accentuate the shadow here. So all I'm going to do is just bring that shadow down really, and I basically like to have a play with the exposure to see how dark I can get. Before it's too much. So right now I feel like it's maybe gotten just a little bit too warm. So I'm going to take that down just a little smidgen, but we don't want to lose the color of the skin, like the natural lovely color of the skin. So make sure that you're always balancing it back out. Some of the other options that I was considering was maybe Reminisce. So Reminisce is a black and white preset from the Recollection preset pack, or you can actually just buy the black and white presets from the Recollection preset pack separately, and you can do the same with the color too. So the reason I love Reminisce so much is that it gives it this really nostalgic film vibe. It's very soft, it's very dreamy, and it has that lovely bit of grain. As you can see, we still got this board here, which isn't bothering me too much, but I think that I'll probably just add a bit more drama to it. But obviously if you wanted to get rid of it without changing all of this, you can use one of the tools up here to, the clone tool or the heal tool to get rid of that, or you can even use I've just updated, use one of the brushes to make this whole thing just a bit darker. So let's go back to the original of how we got there. So I usually just clicked on Wanderer, and I have a little play. Sometimes it can be a little bit too soft, but I think with maternity images, I don't think we have to worry too much about the softness of it, because there is something really gentle and beautiful about pregnancy and about maternity. So I want to really favor that through the editing. I love the drama here, love the shadow. So I'm going to bring that all the way down. See, now I wasn't sure about this strip here, which is just from the window. Could take that out. That wouldn't be too hard to do. You can do that here. You can do that in Photoshop with a clone. I think for right now I'm going to leave it in. But I really just wanted to show you how the positioning of your subject can really enhance the editing at the end. So maybe just have a little think about that when you're next positioning your subjects. So this lovely shadow was one of the main things that drew me to this section, and of course this light, and you get that lovely juxtaposition. So that is basically the final product. And another thing I did was create a series of images that are taken consecutively, seconds after each other, not even that, like milliseconds after each other, copy and pasted, Command-C, Command-V with your settings, with your presets, and then turned that into a GIF in Photoshop. And there are loads of tutorials on YouTube. Rebecca Carpenter, the best one. I'll link that below. And then you can create a GIF just like this. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. You can watch more videos on how to edit like me, behind the scenes, tips, tricks, you name it. Don't forget to head to hannahbphotographyuk.com/store where you can get first hands on the presets and all these helpful resources, some of which are free. There is a unique YouTube code for a discount below. Have a great day. I will see you soon.